Hey, and welcome to Speedleads. Speedleads lets you add a branded call to action to any page you share, so you can drive more traffic and leads to your business. Let me show you how this works. Imagine you come across a great article like this one here on Mashable. Instead of just sharing it as you normally would do, you can create a special link that adds your own branded message to the page. So if we head on over to Facebook and I click on this link that I shared earlier, you can see it now takes me through to the article, but this time it's got my logo and a branded message and call to action in the bottom left corner. And if I click on this button, it takes me through to our website. So we're using content sharing to drive traffic to our own offers. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up for yourself. So we're going to head on into Speedleads, and once you've logged into the app, the first step is simply to upload your brands. These are the images that will appear alongside your message, so this could be your company logo, product image, or even a picture of yourself. So to add your brands, just click on the Add New Brand button here, and then just upload your images from your computer. And these are clickable images, so you'll also add a destination URL here. Okay, so as you can see, we've already got 2 brands uploaded here, so the next step is to design your lead box. So I'm going to head on into boxes and then click new box. Now you can see an immediate live preview of your box on the right hand side here, so any changes you make will update in real time. And the first thing to do is select your brand. So I'm going to select the Wishloop brand here, Wishloop logo. Now you can choose from 5 different box types depending on your objective, whether you want to capture email opt-ins or drive traffic, add a button, text link, and we've also got this invisible option here, which is if you want to build a retargeting audience using Speedleads without actually showing the box at the same time. Okay, and as you can see, the live preview updates as I'm hovering over the different box types, so you can see what it will look like. Right, so I'm going to select the button type for this one. Okay, so I'm now going to go through to the settings and give this a name. Just going to call it test. And you can select your box position and the delay before it appears. So the default is the bottom left. I'm going to leave my box appearing in the bottom left. And the default is for the box to appear immediately when the page is loaded, but you can add a delay. So I'm going to leave the default in. Now I just need to add my text. So here's the title text. And I'll add Wishloop website conversion software as my title. Now I want the button to link through to the Wishloop website. I want my call to action on the button to be learn more, and a short description converts more visitors into customers. Okay, so there you go, my box is updated in real time. I can also add a retargeting pixel code into here so that I capture retargeting leads as people click on the links I'm sharing. So that's the settings all done. If I click on next, it just remains to choose the styling. So you can there's 4 different styling options, including full width. So if you've got a longer message or longer call to action, this is going to be particularly useful. But for this example, I'm going to leave it as default style and just hit save. And there you go, I've created my lead box. So once you've created your box, you can share it on as many pages as you like. You don't need to recreate it. So let me show you how you do this. There's 2 ways to create your special lead links. You can do this within the Speedleads app, so I'll show you how to do this first. So all you need to do is grab the URL that you're sharing. So I'm going to take this from the article and head back to Speedleads, click on New Campaign, and then paste in the article URL here. Okay, as soon as I do that, you see a preview of what it will look like when you share it on Facebook and Twitter. You can change the image and the description text, and as you can see, it shows it's still being shared from Mashable, so it's as if you're sharing the article normally. Now I just need to select the box I want to show on top of it, my test one I've just created, and then hit save. And there you go, I've created my new campaign, and there's my special link ready to share. Now the second way to create a lead link is a real game changer, because once you install the Speedleads browser extension, you can create lead links in literally 3 clicks without even leaving the page you're sharing. So I'm going to head on over to Settings and Installations, and to add the Speedleads browser integration, you literally just drag the button up to your bookmark station here and drop it in. It's that simple. Now I'm going to head back over to the article and click on the browser extension now, and it brings up this dialog box. Now I just click on the box I want to share, my test box, and then click save. And that's it, I've now got my special link ready to share. So let's grab this link and go back to Facebook and test it out. There you go, it's pulled in all of the information. It still says mashable.com. Let's just add a quick call to action. Check this out. And hit publish. And there we go, let's click on this link. So here we go, it's taken us through to the article, but now it's got our special brand and call to action. If I click on this, it will take me through to the Wishloot website. And there you go. Go ahead and start adding your own branded messages to every link you share.